Hey guys, Shaki here from Polybase and welcome back to another series on Hackathon Highlights project number 6. So today I'm with the team who built Donate for Change and we'll be going over the problems they solve, how they used Polybase as their database on their project and also on some of the feedbacks and comments they have on Polybase. Okay, so I'll straight away throw it over to you guys. So what is the motivation behind building Donate for Change and what are the problems it solves, guys?
So the thing is that Donate for Change is a platform for taking donations from people around the world. Now there are various NGOs and all who actually ask for donations from people, but there is no legitimacy or truth behind it. I mean, we as people feel that, yeah, we should pay and we should donate some amount to this NGO because they are solving this cause. And we feel motivated to actually donate from our end, but there is no legitimacy that this money is actually going for that particular cause. So in order to create a very transparent environment, we have created Donate for Change, wherein we have implemented blockchain and used Polybase as our the database. So we are using this to perform all the transactions in a very transparent manner so that you can...
So it's basically there will be no middleman in the between.
There's
so
no
like
middleman.
All the transaction from the customer to the NGO client, like direct, there will be no middleman.
Every user can go and check out their transaction and they will be assured that yes, they have donated themselves and the money is actually being used for a good cause.
Okay, got it. So it's basically tamper proof, right?
It is tamper.
Perfect, amazing. So can we go over the code part and the collections part? If you could share your screen and show how you implemented the Polybase collections and integrated it with your project.
Okay, cool. So basically, as you can see, when we just click the join us button, it will ask, like, this is the Polybase authentication part. So it will just ask us to connect using email or by using MetaMask. So I will click the MetaMask. So as you can see, we are getting the details over here. We'll just click continue.
Okay.
One more pop-up it came.
I think Polybase itself also had a feature of extracting the details. So we extracted the details using polyauth and then it showed the method, MetaMask, and the user ID.
It's basically asking for the signature request now. So we are logged in using MetaMask. As you can see, you have logged in using MetaMask and this is your public address. So now as here we Ranger, it will take some time to load. Just a minute. Or I guess I have logged in using a different account. Oh no, it's the same account. So yeah, these are all the NGOs which are listed in the Polybase database. I will just try to open the Polybase account.
So basically, we have also created a form which the admin can access, and it is called the Add NGOs form. So there, the admin can enter the name of the legitimate NGOs along with their address. And on filling it up, the data directly goes into the Polybase database. And that Tanish will show you right now in the Polybase.
Got it. Amazing.
So all the details like the Explorer and all the links are given in the Polybase documentation only. So we got it from there.
Okay. Nice.
So it takes some time because it's college Wi-Fi. So yeah.
I've been there.
So this is our Donate for Change.
Nice. Okay.
So I just have to change. We made a demo one also. So I will just verify quickly like which one is our final one. It's small d. So yeah, this is the one.
Yeah.
And this is our database. As you can see, all the data is present here. And we are fetching all this data into our page, NGOs page. It will just load.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Can we have a look at the schema part? The schema?
Yeah, schema we can look. So it's basically a small schema only.
Show the code base.
This is the collection.
Okay.
So first of all, there is an ID which is of type string, and this is a collection NGO. So I just remember it like it's like C++. It's class, so it's a collection, and this is NGO, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables: ID, string, name, string, phone of type string, description, and address.
Okay.
So there is a constructor because when we are making the object, we have to pass the parameters in the constructor. So I will show you in the code base where I'm calling this function. Yeah, so this is a small schema, and here is our whole data.
You can show the authentication part as well.
Authentication like in the code?
So cool.
Yeah. In the code. I guess it was in the code page.
Cool. Yeah. So the app is built in React. So yeah, as you can see, there is a button in our home page, which is, we are given in the CSS, it's written. So it's basically when we click on that button, the sign in function will be called. Okay. So as you can see, we have imported the Polybase React library. And we have initiated the variable. And as soon as we sign in, the auth.signin function will be called. and which will return us with the credentials of the user which just signed in. And we are using those credentials in printing the details, like details.type, this will be MetaMask, and details.user ID, this will be our public key.
Nice.
Public key of the user.
Got it. This is so cool. So, are there anything which you feel can be improved in Polybase that can drastically improve the experience to the devs? Anything at all?
So Shakib, basically when we were making the practice database and collections on the Polybase, so we were like quite confused, like if we are not using any database, so we should have the like option to delete it, because it's still in memory, we are not using it anywhere. Okay, and we made that because we want to just practice and go through it once. So I think that's the part where like we should be able to delete those collections which we made for practice. And the
there is actually no point of keeping the data which is not used. Great.
Yeah.
Other than that, I think everything was actually really good and very smooth. Even the documentation part was very nice because we could actually go from one link to another and it was directing us themselves. So we really appreciated that.
Straightforward.
Thank you. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to come on a call and explain your project. I hope you guys had fun following along. If you think Polybase is interesting, do give us a follow on Twitter to know more about our story. I'll meet you with another team in another video. Until then, this is Shaki signing off. Cheers.